I'm Dick Marcus. I am a partner at Sun & Shine, and my field is labor and employment law. Labor law traditionally was dealing with unions and the Fair Labor Standards Act and minimum wage. My specialty really is dealing with those issues, although I do get involved in the others, and in fact I've written a book dealing with the Family and Medical Leave Act. My true love is dealing with traditional labor law, and that involves representing employers, negotiating collective bargaining agreements with unions. You can make a real impact assisting parties that are frequently at odds with one another, helping to accomplish a situation where they're working toward a common goal. If you can do that, the rewards are quite substantial.
The Lawyers Committee for Civil Rights litigates civil rights cases. We also run a program called the Settlement Assistance Program in federal court. And essentially, the Settlement Assistance Program gives lawyers a chance to get federal court advocacy and negotiation experience. He came to us in 2008 and offered to help a pro se party who had filed a race discrimination case.
This was a case involving a claim of discrimination which led to the discharge of this individual. She had filed charges based on race discrimination and age discrimination. They brought me the pleadings and my heart sank. It was about 200 pages of a complaint, and obviously this pro bono plaintiff had put her heart and soul into preparing this complaint. I believed that she had a case based on an issue she had never raised in the pleadings, and pursued that issue with her, and certainly that helped. We ultimately went through several stages of negotiations and got what the client thought was a very fair and just settlement.
He really excelled at building a relationship with this client, showing that he respected her and empathized with what she'd been through. At the same time, he was very effective in advocating in the settlement conference and convincing the other side that there was real exposure. He also serves as a mentor and a resource to other lawyers at Sun & Shine who want to be involved in this program. We were really lucky to have someone of his experience and stature as a volunteer lawyer.
Sun & Shine is very deeply committed to pro bono work. It makes the system accessible to people who should have access to the system and frequently do not get it. It's a public commitment that you make when you take the bar. The commitment is a very real one, and it's preserving the rule of law. And without the rule of law, we're all in very, very big trouble.